In this video, I'm going to show you how to create UGC video. This tool is specialized on UGC. That is why it's one of the best. I'm going to show you how to use this tool to create UGC videos. So go over to link registration and click on it. Then you sign up. You're going to get free days. So all you need to do is to sign up with the link. Then your website is easy to walk around. Have a beautiful interface. And then here you're going to select create UGC video. So for you to create UGC video, come over here and they'll ask you if you have your own character. Start with an image or build your own character by describing the character, or you can build your own character or use the influencer generator. So for me, I have my own image. So if you have your own image, all you need to do is come over here and upload your own image. If you don't have an image, simply click on influencer generator. You're going to see the tool here. Let me open it. You're going to see build your own character. You're going to see how it works. So it's either you describe your character and it's going to generate a character for you, or you build your character, the existing character. You can use the influencer generator to generate your own influencer. So here is how the influencer generator works. You can see it here. You enter your prompt and you can choose from the samples here, aspect ratio. If you want to choose the model you want to use. So, but for me, I have my own character, and I'm going to come over here to click start from an image. I'm going to upload my own character. Have it in my computer. You can click here, upload reference image. So it's going to open and you locate where your image is and open it, select and open it. So after you have uploaded your image, it's going to load here and you come over to upload, you click on it and you're going to see your image here. So once you bring in your character here, you upload it and give it a new 23 9 that. You select the model and click generate. So you're going to allow it to generate, okay? So we have our character here, and you click on create with. You're going to see talking video. You're going to see UGC image, whatever you want to create it. Let's say talking video. Then we'll create a talking video. This is our main character. If you want to change your character, you can cancel it. Click on add a placer here. We see your main character. And as well selecting my to see the really existing characters here. Okay, so I'm going to use this. I'm going to use this other one there. So at this point, you're going to enter your script. What you want it to say. Okay, your script, you're going to enter it. If you have your sound, if you have your voiceover, you can add it here. Okay. I'm going to use this tool for your video generation. Then at this point, you're going to enter sample your voice. So you can decide to upload your voice sample here. You have a voice sample. Let me upload a voice sample. So I just uploaded a voice sample. I'll click confirm. So after you have uploaded your voice sample, you can enter any gesture. Describe the gesture you want, which is pushing and click in our ways. So you can see we have finished narrating our video. Export. Can you see this is using? This is cool. So at this point, we now to time. You can see the video has done. So this is how you can create UGC video This tool is a unique tool that specializes on UGC radio generations. The main is my description of this video. Click on it and sign up. Is that making use of this tool.